Hey guys, welcome back. It's another video, and today it's really windy, so I'm just gonna do a bunch of voiceovers to this video. So yeah, that's what you're hearing. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some long shots at the goal. Josh is in goal, and yeah, let's go. All right, so this is my first shot of the day. Actually, this is my first kick of the day. Haven't even stretched or anything. It's probably gonna be really bad. What the heck? The wind just blew the ball. I don't know if you saw that, but if you didn't, go and rewind a little bit. The ball moved. Alright, so at that point we moved over to the right. Yep.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Maybe that's why we moved to the right. And then we decided to move again. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, please subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. And later.